Yep, in this video I want to show you how to make your loop match the tempo of your project. Okay, if you want to make the tempo of your project match the loop, you can get that from a video I did. It's in the video card. Okay, with the metronome. Let me play it so that you hear it. In order to do this, you come to this point here and right click, come to fit to tempo. You hit it. The tempo is 130, so it's in the range of 75 to 150. So you hit that and look at it. It's now to the tempo. Hear it. Okay, let's say I don't want this. Let me Ctrl Z. Let's say I want it to be like long to this point instead of just these 4 bars here. Let it be 8 bars. I can do this. Right click there, come to fit to tempo. Instead of this 75 150, I'll go to 150 to 300. That's double it. 75 plus 75, that should be 150. 150 plus 150, that should be 300. I'll click that. Watch what happens. So I'll play it now. You can creatively use this. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when we drop new videos to help you in music production and your music in general. I'm a Proto, this is alloneprostudio. That's it.
Small, don't believe your eyes, don't give in to a terror.